Hi everyone, this is May. So today guys, preparing dinner. And our dinner is, ito siya, oxtail. Yes, oxtail. Hindi ko na pinakita yung pinakaunang steps. Pinakaunang steps is, dapat ano natin, parboil natin ang ating oxtail para matanggal ang mga residue ng blood and mga dumi dyan. Then later on, stir fry it sa garlic. Yes, garlic. Nasaan yung garlic natin? Hindi na makita guys. Here you go. Ito siya ang ating garlic. Yes, stir fry it in garlic. Then add tomato. And after malagay ang tomato, stir fry it in high fire and add red wine. Yes. So oxtail in red wine guys. So ang sahog natin para may vegetable tayo is carrots. Yes, carrots and potato. Then mayroon tayong celery. Ayan. Dahil nga ang oxtail is needed more time. Kung sa stove ninyo lulutuin guys, it will take like 2 hours. 2 hours low fire cooking. But sa pressure cooker natin lulutuin guys. So may nilagay na ako dyan na black pepper. So i-ano natin dyan guys ang ating oxtail. Ililipat natin dyan. Then dito natin lutuin. Dito natin lutuin sa ating pressure cooker. So ito na siya. Lilipat natin dito. And by the way, if you are new to my channel, please consider subscribing and hit that notification bell so you'll be notified whenever I uploaded a new video. And please leave a comment if any ideas and suggestions na gusto ninyong iparating. And visit my Facebook page. Then, if you do like any of my videos, please consider sharing it to your any social media platform or to your YouTube community. So, ayan na siya guys, ang ating oxtail. So, kunting tubig lang kailangan natin. So, mag-add tayo ng hot water sa ating oxtail. Bubos natin dyan lahat guys. Okay, so ito na ang ating oxtail guys. Ready na siya ilagay sa pressure cooker. So, lagay natin ng 27 minutes. Okay. So, ayan na siya. Thanks for watching, guys. Paglabas niyan, ready to eat na, guys. Thanks again for watching.